If you're a first-time home buyer looking to upgrade or moving to Arizona for the very first time, you're going to love this home. Located in the Encanto Historic District, this beautiful red brick home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2,326 square feet of living space. Imagine doing your laundry in this massive laundry room. Look at all of that counter space. Family dinners and entertaining will be spectacular in this open concept living space. Kick up your feet and relax after a long day's work. Here's the first bathroom just off the living room. Here's bedroom 1. Bedroom number 2. And the primary suite. Look at that massive shower and tub and dual sinks. Now let's head to the backyard. Retreat to the backyard where there's this refreshing swimming pool, or have a romantic evening in the jacuzzi. And remember, if you're a first-time home buyer looking to upgrade or moving to Arizona for the first time, give me a call, 602-882-5262. And if you really like this content, please be sure to click subscribe below.